Up until today, we've been looking at supply chain management as a series of individual operational functions and decisions. Buy it, make it, move it, sell it, service it. You've had the luxury of studying each in a vacuum. But supply chains are in fact chains. Chains in the sense that these individual functions are interconnected and interdependent. This is the key difference between how most corporations viewed operations 30+ years ago and how successful modern corporations have adopted a more integrated supply chain approach. Integrated. That means companies need to pull their employees and business partners out of their silos and have them develop a cohesive team with a shared set of goals and compatible philosophies. A professional football player and a world-class expert in yoga both can have similar values and desires: strength, flexibility, knowledge, and a healthy diet. But does this mean both will have similar workouts, diets, and muscular features? No, of course not. And as both age, each will have to adapt their daily practices to fit the needs of their changing bodies, jobs, and lifestyles. Businesses are no different. They can all have similar values and desires, but what works for one company may not work for another. And what works for one company today may not work for them tomorrow. Modern businesses can't thrive by copying other companies or live according to checklists. They need to develop philosophies that will guide their actions in the ever-evolving world of business. Developing a winning tradition requires that teams operate as cooperative and integrated units. Players on these teams must trust each other. They must understand and accept their individual roles. They must agree upon individual and team goals. And they must strive to continuously improve and stay ahead of competitors who are aiming to beat them every single day. More than that, they need to understand the failure of one is a failure for all. Successful modern supply chains are no different. Common goals, trust, acceptance and understanding of roles, and a commitment to continuous improvement. These are the keys to developing a competitive, modern, integrated supply chain. In the old days, individual business functions were tasked with specific but limited duties. R&D was tasked with innovating. Quality managers had to eliminate defects. Operations needed to be lean. Logistics responsive. And, depending on the company, one department or another was responsible for making a profit. But today, competitive companies have knocked down these walls. At every level and in every department, they have made each one of these goals everyone's responsibility. Being lean, responsive, innovative, and profitable, while at the same time maintaining a high level of quality. Integrated goals, integrated responsibilities, integrated supply chain management. To be a successful modern supply chain manager, you need to be a philosophical guru, a coach, and a relationship manager. You need to understand the importance of finance, accounting, marketing, and information technology because materials, money, and information are the lifeblood of modern supply chains. That's why I think the most likely candidates to successfully lead modern organizations into the next generation of business are executives that understand how to design and manage integrated supply chains at the global level. Managers of global integrated supply chains. That's what businesses need. That's what the world needs. That's what you need to become.